Guess what, guys? I just bought this action camera for £5 on Amazon. It's called the KitVision and it cost me a fiver. And it came with all these accessories as well. Sounds like a bargain, doesn't it? But there's one big problem. I can't get it to switch on. Nothing happens. Now you might say, what do you want for a fiver? However, I do want it to come on. Now, check this out, guys. If I plug the charger in, it comes on. Yeah. So all we need to do is somehow hook the camera up to my bike and hook up an external charger. Because as soon as I unplug it, it goes right back off again. Yeah, if you see the KitVision on for £5 on Amazon, avoid it.